Hey guys, we received this JLab Go AirPop True Wireless Bluetooth earbuds for test and try. So this comes with a charging case and this is a dual connect with a sweat resistance Bluetooth 5.1. So let's open this pack and see what's inside. So as you can see, this have a very small this case. This a charging case as well, and this is an accessory box. This accessory box comes with some additional earbuds or the tips. So let's see the other parts. So this charging case itself have a USB. So this is an inbuilt USB. So you don't need any additional charging cable. Just put this USB into any power source and it will charge on its own. So this is a pretty cool thing that you don't have to carry any additional charging cable. And this you have to remove this protective thing so that it can charge. You can see the indicator. Now to connect it to the Bluetooth, you have to be mindful, like it will recognize once you open the case and put one earbud into your ear. So once you put one earbud into your ear, this Bluetooth will recognize this. See, now it recognized, it got connected. Now this is good to go. So this is a pretty comfortable and a good headphones with a good sound, and I can say that it have a three different things that you can do with a touch thing, and it have a balanced bass and like three different equalizer thing. Also have a little good fit, like while you're running and walking, this will not fall, and yeah, these are really nice with a good run time. So comfortable earbuds and with the inbuilt rechargeable thing, this is pretty nice, and I will dual connect as well.